How to turn off name drop on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're in the app, scroll down to the General option from the menu. Over here, select AirDrop as shown. Name drop is an AirDrop feature that lets you share contact information with another iPhone by holding the devices close together. As you get there, you will see that the Bringing Devices Together option is turned on. Tap on it to turn it off. By turning it off, you prevent the automatic sharing of information like name drop or photos when two iPhones are held close to each other. As it is disabled, no accidental sharing of data will occur and privacy will be enhanced as well. Following these steps, you can easily turn off name drop on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.